There once lived Peter, a friendly grasshopper. Peter was quite lazy, as everyone used to complain. And then there was Cox, the hard-working ant. Cox happened to be a good friend of his, and quite often they were seen together playing. But summertime was a busy time for Cox. That was the period for collecting food. It was a bright summer day, and Cox was all sweaty, carrying heaps of sugar cubes to their house. Peter yawned at Cox as he walked away. Then came the winter. There was snow all over. Shivering and cold, Peter came to Cox's doorsteps, asking for food. But Cox did not have any excess food and hence could not help Peter. Peter left Cox's place sadly, starving. Peter learned the lesson that one should always plan for the future.